Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Polaris Sportsman 570 EPS. Really nice machine in the Ghost Gray for 2026. Real simple machine, but really good machine. As you know, a lot of Sportsmans are very dependable, very smooth riding. You know, so you're going to get a really good ATV on it. Steel rims, so nothing fancy there, but obviously something that's going to hold up for a long time. You do have front storage up here. You got the rack extender, so obviously if you got stuff in here, there's your battery. If you got stuff in here, you can also throw stuff on top and strap it down and keep it there as well. You got full brush guard on here. You got a 2,500 pound winch on there, so if you would get stuck or get somebody else stuck, or if you want to throw a plow on the front of it, you've already got the winch on there. So really nice, really dependable. Bright lights, LED lights, easy shifting for those of you that are looking for something pretty not complicated. So it's literally just push this up and go, or obviously we go in reverse. Comfortable seat, nice and well padded, good for long rides if need be, or just short rides. Rear rack, of course, you also have the rack extender, so same way. If you want to, you can see these are set out for 5-gallon buckets. You can throw stuff on there as well as with the lock and ride system. 1.25" receiver, so if you want to hook up something, you've got that ability to hook up something. But like I said, it does come with power steering, does come with fuel injection, also has the engine braking system on there. So for the value, really nice ATV for those of you looking for a great ATV to go riding with. So if you're looking for something like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.